Yo, what's up everybody? This is my first time in SoCal and it's amazing. I'm on throttl's YouTube channel, and if you guys f with them, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hey.
Time to get on the road. Good morning guys and welcome back to another vlog. Today it's about 6:15, getting up pretty early because Alex and I are heading to the NOS Center for the TUNEDINTOKYO shows. Huge shout out to Brian, Gio, Frankie for setting up this event. I am super excited. I think there's gonna be like 800 cars here. Let's check in with you guys right when we get to the show. Definitely in the right place. We've actually been waiting in line for like 45 minutes. This is absolutely insane, dude. There's gotta be like 300-400 cars outside just waiting to get in. I mean, right now we're in the line here. Can you stick this out the window to show them how many cars there are? Check this out. Frankie, what's up, man? You guys are closing down the streets, man. This is insane. Yeah, this is insane. What up? How's it going? What's up, man? How are you? It's good, man. Good to see you. Do you know where we're supposed to go?
About to set a record, track record.
About to drift it.
Ready?
E-brake, you ready? E-brake, drift, here we go.
No, that was a cue sound effect.
All right, so we just got here, found out we're next to Premium Auto Style, and we have this entire grassy area. So I know Dustin's coming, I know they have a couple cars, so I'm just gonna start to get the booth unpacked here, and then we'll kind of figure out how we're gonna lay this out. There's a ton of space here. All right, we are getting all set up here. We got the throttle booth right there, Dustin's car, and our friends over at Premium Auto Styling. Looks like they're rearranging some stuff too, so should be a good turnout. I'm excited. Hey, what's that flag doing? I'm stealing this flag back. Leave it?
That's our, everybody knows we're here.
We need like an arrow.
I marked that fresh territory, okay?
All right. So this always happens where I never have enough time to walk around. So I'm making an effort right now, going for a cruise. It is looking busy in here. Oh man, it is getting packed. Battle right now. Touch the tips, dude.
Oh yeah. That's what we do on our channel. We're touching the tips.
Ready to hear the most rice convo.
Where at though, son? Where it at?
That's it.
Alright guys, so Dustin is about to go on a rap battle with Illiminate. It's about to get hyped. It's about to be pretty hyped. Pretty loud too.
We got Dustin. This way. Hard. Let's go.
Keep going. Stop. Hey, put your
This
brake.
is nuts.
I was gonna launch that way. Stop.
This is insane.
Pull your e-brake up.
All right.
Let Dustin through.
Let Dustin through.
If you guys don't know, he just let him in. Let him in.
Dustin.
Let him in.
Dustin. Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah. Dustin. Dustin. Don't even look back.
That's what they all say. Alright, so since he stopped, we're gonna give the two the first go. Ready? On the count of 3, just him by himself. Ready? Until I wave. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, you. Go. 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 Alright, on the count of 3, you by yourself. Ready? Let's hear it, Dustin. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, it's gonna be all together. Calm down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, both of you guys go now. Let's go for the hatchback, Subaru.
Guys, let's do it for the Evo.
It's a stock Evo. Alright, bro, take a hike. That was great. Alright, hold on for a second.
What's going on, throtl? Thank you so much for coming.
That guy.
Awesome event. Insane.
Alright, so now we are checking out the inside. I've not been inside yet. I've heard there's some of the best cars in here. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to hear me, but these headlights are crazy. Freaking love the front end. JDM front end. So tight. Okay, we just left that show. Freaking wild. I hope you guys enjoyed all that footage. Now we got to figure out how to get out of here. So as always, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one. What is up, guys? In case you haven't heard, the March throtl VIP sweepstakes is live. There's not that much time left, guys. We are giving away an awesome prize this month. Your choice of either a Garrett turbo kit or $5,000 to spend in new performance parts. All you got to do is join throtl VIP. The link will be below. You guys don't want to miss this one. Go check it out.